Hello guys, I hope you're fine. So welcome to your first lesson. In this first lesson, we're going to check the alphabet, the numbers from 1 to 100, and finally the adjectives. So please pay attention and stop the video if you want to check the information again, yeah, or you need time to think about it. So first of all, we're gonna check the alphabet, yeah, the alphabet sound chart. So here we have all the words with an example of a word of an object that starts with the same letter. For example, in the first letter we have A, and then we have an apple. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yeah. So this is the alphabet in English. Remember that there is one difference between English and Spanish. In Spanish, we also have the ñ sound, but in English there is not this there is not a letter that represents this sound. So these are all the letters. It's important also to know how to use the question, how do you spell? Yeah, how do you spell is like in Spanish, cómo se escribe o cómo se deletrea. So when you have um, questions on how to write a word, you can make this question, and then you're gonna receive an answer with all the letters one by one from the word that you are looking for. Yeah. For example, if you say, um, how do we say manzana in English? Apple. So how do you spell apple? So the answer will be like A-P-P-L-E, apple. So now you know how to write it. ¿Sí? Entonces, para saber cómo se escriben algunas palabras en inglés o alguna palabra desconocida para ustedes, pues pueden utilizar la pregunta How do you spell? Y ya van a recibir su respuesta, que va a ser el deletreo de la palabra que están buscando escribir. So please stop the video and practice the alphabet. Practíquenlo lo más que puedan. ¿Sí? Well, let's move to the next activity, to the next image that is going to be the numbers. So here we have the numbers from 1 to 100. Yeah, so we have three different columns. In the first column, we have from 1 to 10, and they sound this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here we have the numbers in single numbers. Yes, only one number. And then we have from 11 to 19. Yeah, this is like del 11 al 19. So it sounds like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Yes, if you pay attention to the numbers from 13 to 19, they end with T, double E, and N. And this is like the sound of teen. Yeah, actually, if you isolate the word teen, it means like uh, teen is like adolescente. Yeah, it's because the people who are from 13 to 19, they are called teens. Like in Mexico, it would be like adolescentes de los 13 a los 19. ¿Sí? Entonces, teen, adolescente. Digamos que estos serían los números adolescentes, ¿no? De cierta manera. And finally, we have the the numbers from 20 to 100, but from 10 to 10. For example, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Yeah, so now we're moving 10 to 10, but in case that you want to say like, for example, 25, You only have to combine the third column with the first column, like 20, and then you say 5. If you want to say in English 58, you say 50, and then you say 8, 58. If you want to say 92, so you say 92, and so on. And you can do the same also with 100. With 100, you can move from 100 and to 100, so 100, 200, 300, and so on. And here we have a very useful question that is going to help you to get numbers like cell phone numbers, addresses numbers, and so on. It says, what is your phone number? When someone asks you what is your phone number, or you ask someone about his phone number, you're going to receive an answer like, my phone number is 449 15 0 15 47. Yeah. So this is an example of an answer of a phone number. So please stop the video one more time and practice the numbers. Also check the different spelling for each one. If you see uh, how do we write the number 5, it's like F-I-B-E, but if you move to 15, it's gonna be a few changes. Instead of having the letter B in the middle, we're gonna have the letter F and then the teen ending. So check spelling and pronunciation too. Okay, so also, as I told you before, today we want to check the adjectives. First, we're going to check adjectives to describe appearance, yeah, or body. How do we look like? We have height, the first one, which means in Spanish, altura. Age, this is like we're talking about edad. Build, this is the body form. And finally, general appearance. This is a general aspect of your full body. So with height, we start with big and small, yeah. Pequeño, grande, o grande y pequeño. Short and tall. Short, this guy over here is a short guy, but if you look, the next image is tall. Yeah, this is like the opposite. Es lo contrario. Eh, corto y alto, o chaparro y alto. But then between that heights, but between short and tall, we have medium height, de estatura media. Not short, not tall. It's medium height. Then we have the age. In the first picture, we have old, yeah? People that is over 50 years old, I think so. And then we have middle age, the edad media. And finally, young. Yeah, it could be like teens or kids too. Then we have the build that is skinny, yeah, like delgado, muy delgado. Slim and thin, very similar too. It's like delgado, pero no exagerando. Muscular, yeah, when you do a lot of exercise and you have muscles. Stocky, yeah, a very strong person. Chubby, yeah, when you're a little bit fat, not that obese. Well, this is like kind of similar to Spanish, obeso. Overweight, yeah, when you pass the limit of your regular uh, weight, pasado de peso. And finally, we have fat. Yeah, fat, that would be like kind of a rude word. Ya un poquito siendo más grosero. Fat is like gordo, pero ofendiendo. Yeah. So be careful with this word. Hay que tener cuidado con el uso de esta palabra. Instead of use chubby, es más recomendable usar chubby. Yeah. Then we have for general appearance, we have pretty, yeah, bonita, handsome, atractivo, cute, lindo, attractive, atractivo, two, funny, divertido, elegant, elegante, beautiful or gorgeous, yeah, hermoso, o sí, hermoso, hermosa, and ugly, feo, yeah, the opposite, lo contrario. So to use all of these ones to describe yourself, you have to say I am, yo soy, and then you can use one of these ones, one of these words that fits on you. Son una de estas palabras que queden ustedes. So let's check the last image with vocabulary. We have these these adjectives describe your personality, yeah. The previous ones were about appearance. Los pasados describían la apariencia, ahora vamos con personalidad, tu manera de ser. So we have talkative, yeah. Talkative is a person that likes to speak a lot, that always is speaking. I have a lot of talkative students. Then we have shy, yeah, a person who does not feel confident showing himself or herself in front of people. Hardworking, yeah, a person who likes to work a lot. Messy, messy is like a disorganized person. Lazy, lazy is the opposite of hardworking. It's like a person who is always resting and does not want to work. Then we have selfish. Selfish is when you want everything for you, only for you. You don't want to share things. Then we have organize. Yeah, organize is when you have everything in the correct place. Um, helpful. Helpful is a person who likes to help people. Yeah, you help people like all people, like in the picture. Jealous. A jealous person is a person who wants to or have or desires to have what the other people has. And patient. Patient is a person who knows how to wait for the things. There is no problem with him on waiting. Polite. Polite is when you are respectful with other person. It's like educado, polite. Funny, when you play jokes. You have a good sense of humor. Divertido, funny. Clumsy. Clumsy is when you're not a skillful person. No eres muy habilidoso. Clumsy. And absent-minded is like a person who cannot focus on something. Alguien que no se puede concentrar, que está distraído. And finally, we have confident. Yeah, a confident person is a person that feels sure about his or her skills. So please stop the video, practice the the adjectives, uh, and try to use the phrase I am to describe yourself. If you think that you consider yourself as a selfish person, so say I am a selfish person, or an organized person, I am organized. Helpful person, I am helpful, and so on.